everyone, Lauren LaDell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Why should you work with Motor City? Because of our technicians. Let's go meet a few of them.
Our Spindle Room leader, Jeff Carter, has been building spindles for 31 years. Jeff loves working on giant spindles. That's his specialty. At this point, there's nothing that Jeff can't do. Rich Griffith has been rebuilding spindles for 38 years, since 1985. The same year the Super Bowl Shuffle came out. Rich is a master at his craft and one of the best in the world at CNC spindle repair. John Wilson has been in this industry for 23 years, building spindles day after day. His knowledge and expertise sets the bar for CNC spindle repair. Dave has been crushing it on spindle repair for 22 years. Dave has the knowledge and experience that only the Motor City can provide to our customers. That's just a glimpse into our team. But it's more than enough reason why you should work with Motor City Spindle Repair.
We don't need another year.